Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide if you are active on Instagram. It usually shows if you are active by having a green circle by your PFP. So I'll show you how to turn that off so nobody can tell that you are online. So first things first, go to Instagram. On your profile, you want to click on the three bars in the top right corner. Once you click that, click Settings. It should be at the top of the pop-up bar. Once you click that, click Privacy. It should be the third option down. It has a lock right next to it. After that, scroll down a little bit until you see Activity Status. It should be kind of close to the bottom. And once you click on that, you can turn it off. Once you're here, you can read exactly what it will turn off when you turn it off. But it doesn't really do anything that important. It just makes it so nobody can see that you are online. You just click the little on-off button right next to it. If it's blue, it's on. If it's gray, it's not. So yeah, now it's off. If this video is helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys next time.